After it being out of stock for a year, I finally managed to get my hands on the Dyson Laser Slim Fluffy Cleaner Head for my Dyson V11 Outsize. I can't believe I've been vacuuming without this. The laser illuminates hidden dust that you can't see when vacuuming hard floors. It also picks up larger objects than the high-torque XL cleaner head without snow blowing. Yikes, dust, and allergens. As you can see, the Laser Slim Fluffy Cleaner Head is more smaller than the high-torque XL cleaner head, making it easier to fit in small places.